Hello. Welcome back to another video. This is the second video in the series of me doing my makeup inspired by fragrance. I'm gonna do other things that it's inspired by, but I just thought this was the season and this was very appropriate. So the fragrance we're doing today is By the Fireplace from Margiela. And this has to be like my second favorite fragrance from them. My favorite is Jazz Club. And you would think I would do Jazz Club, but I just wanted to do this first. I was just very inspired by it. And the makeup I'm doing evokes like embers. You know, when fire is crackling, this specific eyeshadow color that I'm using, I feel like it embraces that because it's not really like a shimmer if you can see closely. And by the way, you know, this whole video, I'm not going to be talking throughout the whole video because I just want you to enjoy the vibes of me putting the makeup on. But I think this eyeshadow, it's like when fire is crackling, that's what it's giving. So I actually also blended it that way. I made it impactful in the center and I kind of blended it so it looks like just scattered fire color. Anyway, I wanted to do this because I feel like this is the time where it's cozy and everybody wants to be, you know, close to warmth and by the fireplace. So I didn't really use a lot of blacks. I used a lot of warm colors. And I did that because this fragrance family is warm and spicy and sweet gourmand. The notes are vanilla, chestnut, and clove. And this is a fragrance that anybody can wear. It doesn't have to be like, it's not gender specific. And I just like the smoky and like warmth and coziness of this fragrance. So that's really it that I wanted to explain and tell you what inspired this specific look and eyeshadow. Hopefully you guys like me zooming in on the eye. If you like that, let me know. I'll continue to do it. And if you guys actually prefer me to just talk about what I'm doing in each process in the next video, like in this series, you can let me know that too. But I kind of just want y'all to enjoy the rest of the video without me talking so much. But if you prefer a voiceover throughout the whole video, I don't know why I'm losing my voice now. Let me know. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video.